What's up guys? Welcome back. और आज हम लोग रिएक्ट करने वाले CJ from Iran, an Iranian beatboxer. और let's check him out and see. Let's go.
From Iran, this is big shout out to Beatbox International. I'm beatboxing. I'm beatboxing.
Wait, what? What kind of lyrics is this? Wait, let's go back.
I'm beatboxing.
Beatbox.
I'm beatboxing. I'm beatboxing. I'm beatboxing.
Oh, look at that.
I'm beatboxing. Yep.
That's just 30 seconds into the video and he's already spammed like sounds that I can't even try. I can't even think of doing. Sick, man. That's so sick.
Beatboxing. I'm beatboxing. I'm beatboxing. Yep. Flip. Yep. I'm beatboxing. I'm beatboxing. Hey, 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 drop the beat. Bass. Yep.
Oh,
Yep. Yep. Talk. Yep. Bass. Yep. Oh shit. Yep.
oh. What is that sound? Wait, let's go back again. But let's go back.
Yep. 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 I'm beatboxing. I'm beatboxing. Drum and bass.
Clean. Nice. Adam.
Go drum and bass, DJ DMB. Go drum and bass, DJ DMB.
Clean. BMG Road. Okay, nice.
Go drum and bass, DJ DMB. Go drum and bass, Ficelle DMB. Go drum and bass, DJ DMB.
So that was CJ from Iran. I think he's really good. He has a lot of crazy sounds that haven't been even named yet. Like they're like unknown to the beatboxing community. Yeah, and that was really sick. That was really sick. Amazing beatboxer. Shout out to Beatbox International for this video, and make sure you go subscribe to the channel and like the video as well. And if you like this video, go ahead, like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends. And I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.